Hi, this is the Xperia 5 Mark 5 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's first open the Gmail app. Tap on the right upper corner and to log out from the Gmail application, we should first log out from Google account on our device. To do that, tap to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account, click on remove, tap to remove account again. Are you sure if you get some protect methods, verify that it's here. I'll use the fingerprint. Now we just successfully logged out from the Google account, so let's go back to the Gmail app and we could see that we just also successfully logged out from the Gmail application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.